Good morning everyone. So I am all set to make my breakfast. Everything is set and I wanted to show how I make my quick breakfast. So take a look, my tea is getting made over here and I am going to start making my burgers. So these are the Shami kebabs which I always make and keep in the fridge. So I always encourage you all to do this so that you all can very quickly, in just 5 minutes, you all can prepare a bun kebab or a burger. So let me show you how I do it. So I have my pan on the stove. I'll just put one small drop of oil in this because the kebabs are already made. So I'll just place this on the pan like this. So I normally make this Shami kebabs. I have shown the recipe on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box. You can again see it, and you can make this and keep it in the refrigerator, freeze it, keep it in the tiffin boxes, and layer it and keep a tissue over it and keep another layer of kebabs, and again keep a tissue and again keep another layer. So that makes it really easy to retain its shape. And what will happen is, then in the morning, whenever you feel like, or even for lunchtime also, whenever you feel like, or for snacks or whatever, you can just heat it like this and you can have your kebabs. So that easy it becomes. So I normally do it and keep it. So what I do is, I have these ready-made burgers which I have ordered from outside. So we get it normally in all the malls now. So you can order for this and you can keep it whenever you feel like having a burger, or your kids want to have the burger. You can just heat it and you can start making your burger. So just heat both the sides so that it becomes a little crispy, so it's really a must.
If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately.
And we'll fry it on the other side too. So take a look, our burger is fried on one side. It's just roasted. So I'll just put some butter on both the sides. Now I have some mayonnaise over here. So use this brand. It's really very tasty. It really tastes very creamy and awesome. So look at the texture. It's really awesome. So it tastes exactly like how you get the burgers from the restaurant. So you can use this one. Use ketchup on the other bun, the second half. Now place your Shami kebabs, or if you are a vegetarian, you can even make the vegetarian patty with potato and green peas and other mixed vegetables. You can make that and you can place it like this on your burger. So this time I had made small Shami kebabs, so that's why the size is small. So on top of that, I'll place some onions and one tomato, cheese. So I will be grating some cheese over it. So if you have a sliced cheese also, you can just keep the slice over it. It tastes amazing. Of course, burger goes very well along with a good grating of cheese over it. Lettuce, so I'll put a lot of lettuce in it because it becomes really crunchy. When you put lettuce leaves, it really becomes a lot crunchy, and that's how the burger should be. Look at this. It's looking so amazing. So I'll place my burger on my plate like this. Take a look. It's looking super awesome, isn't it? More better than the restaurant burgers. And here is my cup of tea. Now after this, I have plans to decorate the Christmas tree and decorate the house. So you have to keep watching because I know you would love to watch that too. So let me finish my burger and I'll get back to you. would encourage all of you all to have an amazing breakfast every morning, because it's really healthy to have a good breakfast along with tea, coffee, whatever. And everybody should be having it. That's what I feel. So please have your breakfast in the morning, because it's really important for your good health. I really love Christmas, so today let us celebrate Christmas together by decorating the Christmas tree. Look at this, guys. I have removed all the old Christmas decorations which I had kept inside, and I reuse it every year. I don't buy anything new. So this is the star which goes on the top of the Christmas tree, and it resembles the star which had come on the sky when Jesus Christ was born, and that is the stocking which we have to keep under the Christmas tree, because Santa is supposed to come at 12 o'clock in the night and he'll keep gifts for us in that stocking. So look at this. I am opening up all the branches because this tree has been kept inside for an entire year. So yes, I have been reusing this too, and I'll be opening up the branches so that I can easily put all the decorations. So this is how we assemble it every year, and it's really easy. It's not difficult at all. We just have to open up the branches and we have to keep placing all the decorations one by one over it. So this is the snow effect I'm giving on the Christmas tree to make it look like it has been snowfall. All the snow has been falling on my tree. So it's cotton, nothing else. And this is an old decoration which I'll be putting over my Christmas tree. So I believe in reusing stuff, and I really love to do that. I don't throw away anything, but if I like something, if I go around and find something new, a new decoration, I make it a point to buy it, but that is really rare because I have almost everything kept with me. So here goes the star of the Christmas tree, which I'll be hanging on the top of the Christmas tree, which is a must. Whenever you make a Christmas tree, please hang a star on the top. So look at this, it's looking so pretty. So my Christmas tree is just half done, and still it's looking so amazing already. And now comes the turn for all the adorning, the decorations, the small stuff which we have to hang, but these are the best part. This is the best part. These are the best decorations which goes on the Christmas tree, the balls, the stars, the candy sticks, the small bells, the big bells, and this is a beautiful golden bell which I really love. So this festival creates a lot of excitement. It is meant to bring a lot of peace, happiness, joy to all of us, and it really makes us feel so happy and so enthusiastic about everything. Look at these small cherries. They are looking so pretty, so beautiful. So all the candy sticks go on the tree. Look at all the stars and all the beautiful stuff. So I have been doing this since childhood, and I really enjoy and I look forward every year for this festival to come, so that I can do all this all over again, and I really don't mind. Look at the excitement. So this brings out a lot of happiness within us. Here goes my Santa, my decorative Santa. So I'll be placing him over here, And here goes my Christmas message saying Merry Christmas to all of you all. So I'll put a Christmas message right under the tree, and I'll place my stocking to collect all my gifts for Christmas under the tree like this. And I'm all done. So now comes the turn for another decoration, that is the mistletoes. So I'll be hanging the mistletoes on the door. So the first one goes on one of the bedroom doors. So here goes, it's looking so pretty and flaky with all those snowflakes on it, isn't it? It's looking so wonderful. Now the next one goes on the main door, guys. So here I'll hang it on the main door. This looks so welcoming and so beautiful. Flaky and furry, isn't it? So now I'll go right inside because I have to arrange the decorative lights on my Christmas tree. This is just the beginning of the fun festival, Christmas. So Merry Christmas all of y'all. So here are the decorative lights. So this is something which I bought new this year and I'm really excited about it. So look, it's looking so pretty on my tree. And this looks like an amazing day with a Christmas tree all decorated in my house. Look at this. And I have decorated my house with these small little white lights, and I am finding my whole house cozy. Wintry nights are beautiful with a Christmas tree and all the decorations in the house. It sets the mood for the season, for Christmas and New Year, and makes the entire festival feel so happy and welcoming. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and I hope you all celebrate it really wonderfully, and a very happy New Year too.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.